As we have already found out that network marketing is the better option to earn money, let us understand what it is. Word networking is being misused by some so-called pyramid schemes, chain systems, money rolls, etc. So, let us understand what does network marketing really mean. It should be split up in three different words: net, work, marketing. Net means those people who are in connection and known to us. Work, isn't it easy and comfortable to work with them with fun and bonding more? Marketing, just sharing the benefits which we are confident about. Let us know what is network marketing in detail. It is an opportunity to live the life of an entrepreneur, businessman, business owner. It is building a risk-free business with no limits. It is building your own organization. It is building a network of users and sellers earning profits for you 24/7. It is the best industry that offers financial freedom as well as time freedom. It is the best industry to earn passive residual income. Why network marketing? Because network marketing is the business of 21st century. You know, Mr. Bill Gates, during one of his interview, said that if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. Robert Kiyosaki, the famous writer, says that network marketing industry offers many unique benefits to those who want more out of life. Well, let me tell you who are we. On the left hand side, the handsome man you see is the chairman and CEO of our company, Mr. Rex Mon. On the right hand side is our international headquarters in Scottsdale, Arizona. Now, as we all know that background is the backbone of a company. So, let me share the background of our company. Who are we? We were founded in 1978 in Phoenix, Arizona, operating in over 158 countries worldwide, over $3 billion sales turnover, assets over $1.5 billion. We are totally cash rich and debt free. Experienced with a long-standing senior management team with real vision. Distributor base of over 10 million. Health and wellness, which is already a $1 trillion industry. We were founded in 2000 in Mumbai, headed by country sales manager Mr. Amarjeet Ubi. Sales turnover over 450 crores. Rapidly expanding with branches in almost all regions across India. Currently operational over 14 areas. We have the best products for the biggest industry, the wellness industry. We are the world's largest growers, producers and distributors of aloe vera and bee products. Who are we? We are vertically integrated company. That is, from plant to product to you. Everything is done under our own supervision. Now let us know what is aloe vera. In India, it is known as Kumari, Korpad, Ghee Kavar, etc. Also known as nature's silent healer. There are over 400 varieties of aloe vera, but only 4 or 5 contain medicinal properties. It can be taken internally or applied topically. FLP uses only mature potent aloe vera called Barbadensis miller. Each leaf is hand cut for stabilization process. Independent tests shows that FLP's stabilized gel and the raw gel from the leaf are essentially identical. Isn't it amazing? Now let us know why aloe vera. Aloe is the best natural product to put on or in your body. It contains more than 200 natural compounds including over 75 nutrients like vitamins, minerals and amino acids. It detoxifies, nourishes and protects by boosting the immune system. With modern lifestyle and eating habits, aloe is the perfect option to maintain good health. Why forever aloe vera? Here I am with top 10 reasons to drink aloe vera gel. Number 1. Excellent detoxifier. Number 2. Healthy digestive system. Number 3. Ideal diet supplement containing over 75 natural nutrients. Number 4. Boosts the immune system. Number 5. It is a nature's silent healer. It heals naturally from the inside out. Number 6. It is natural painkiller and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 7. Regulates weight and energy level by aiding in the proper digestion and metabolism of sugars. Number 8. Helps cell regeneration. Number 9. Collagen and elastin repair. Number 10. Powerful antioxidant. We only use the naturally stabilized inner nutritious gel of mature Aloe barbadensis Miller plant, which are grown without any chemical, herbicides or pesticides in our own plantations. Forever Bee honey. Throughout the ages, honey has been recognized as a premium natural food, a storehouse of energy that is easily digestible. This great tasting all natural sweetener is loaded with nature's goodness. Easy to digest, Forever Bee honey is a quick and natural energy source for any occasion. It is 100% natural honey, contains over 95 natural nutrients, unique easy pour bottle for convenience, high mineral and enzyme content, pollution-free bee farms in Spain. Our product range is aloe drinks, bee products, nutrition, skin care, personal care, beauty care, weight management. Basically, Forever Living Products is a wellness industry which provides you health, wealth, beauty, fitness.